All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning again with your local locksmith at Urban Lock and Key. Today we are working on a 2014 Toyota Camry. Customer complaint, of course, as we can see, customer's kids broke the key. She had to get a modified version made. And this is the remote key we will be programming today. As you can tell on the blade itself, it says G. Make sure that you specify what chip these cars take, because sometimes the remotes will program and the chip won't. So let's get started. First thing we are going to do is program the remote. Always make sure you program the remote on any vehicle. That way you can make sure that the whole functional key is working properly. So we got the regular blade key cut, and we're going to go in the following sequence. I'm going to go to Toyota, hit agree, and of course this is the vehicle that does not have onboard programming. That's why we're using the Auto Pad Pro Lite. So we're going to go to remote, auto ID. It's pretty easy sequence to follow through with. Just follow the prompts as it goes through. Normally it's a process 2 to follow through with it. Type 2, there you go. Sorry. You're going to hit OK. You're going to hit program remote. Switch ignition on, open driver door open, ignition on, as you can tell from the lights on the gauge. Hit the yes button. So what it wants you to do, you're going to press the lock and unlock button for 1 second, and within 30 seconds, you press the lock button within 1 second. You heard the beeps. That means that the remote was accepted. So we're going to hit the OK. Programming successful. Now let's test the remote out. I'm going to turn the key off. Take the key out the ignition. We hear the door, that this door is open. That's why it's beeping like that. Okay. We're going to hold that. All right. So we know that the remote is working. Let's go to the second process. Tune in to the second video for programming of the key portion.